What are you doing, Bria? Learning about bike safety? Cody! Is this cool?
Really?
Look at that, Cody! One of his pieces is gone.
Trying to get it back forever. They won't fix it.
Say hi to Dad. He's over there.
Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Oh, that was cool.
That was cool.
I don't know what my bike.
Well, that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
This is the best primary activity ever. Did you learn bike safety from the cop? Oh, there he goes. Is there a car wash over there, Cody? No, you have to, that's the line. You get in line.
You can probably go. You probably have enough time. Enough room. This is the stop sign. You have to wait. And go ahead and go.
Was that scary? Now get in line for the car wash. Are you ready for the car wash, Cody? It's gonna feel so nice. Are you ready, Cody? Sure?
Not exactly.
Not exactly.
I thought it was just no water.
There's water in it. It's a car wash.
Is that you're gonna get
Got this.
It's better.
Woo! Okay, go, Cody. How was it?
A little too slow and I'm so.
It tastes gross.
I opened my mouth.
Why'd you open your mouth in a car wash?
Well, I didn't go out of my mouth.
You're gonna go dry off?
I'm wet.
You went so slow, Bria.
I know.
Now you're soaked. Go dry off. Hey, you don't want unicorn
In
colors?
the wet bag, there's.
He doesn't want unicorn colors. Yeah, he's done with the Oh, there's a better color for you. You didn't want unicorn colors?
No.
Oh, okay. You're gonna tape that on? That's cool. What a fun day.
I got soapy and someone scrubbed my helmet.
Someone scrubbed your helmet? They're just getting you clean at the car wash. Yeah. What colors are you doing? Unicorn colors?
I need tape them.
Oh, pretty.
I'm gonna do it.
Hey, it matches your pink bike. And your pink shirt. And your helmet. What? You found your colors? All right, now what do you do with them? You put them on here? Oh my goodness. Oh, they're already cut for you and everything. Oh my goodness, Bria. And if you open this, it'll be even longer.
This one doesn't have
We'll check back in when you're done. And Bria, I just saw lightning. It might rain. There's thunder. You need to hurry. Hurry. Here's Cody's bike so far. Woo! You got your colors you want? Okay, start putting them on there. It's gonna start raining. See how it's opened? You just, yeah. You got it? There you go. And then you just kind of put it down. See, there's one on. Just like that. What did you learn for bike safety from the cop?
Look for people that are holding up stop signs.
Oh, and make sure you stop, huh?
Man with helmet and gloves and
Wear helmet and all your safety gear.
Actually,
Is it gonna start raining?
I do not know.
Did you see the thunder and lightning?
Yeah, I saw things last night.
Listen, here comes the thunder. I just saw lightning. Listen.
I'm gonna put
Did you hear that, Cody?
on one wheel.
Cody, did you hear that thunder? Oh, Bria, that looks cool. You only have 5 minutes, Bria. Get it on quick so you could try it out. 5 minutes, Cody. Let's try it out. Let me see. Look at those colors. Come over here, Cody. Wow, that looks so cool. How are you doing, Bria?
Good.
Ooh, listen to the thunder. That's big thunder.
I'm almost done.
That looks so cool. Are you gonna keep them on at home too?
They're waterproof too because they're straws.
They're waterproof because they're straws. That's true. I want to see what it looks like when you drive. Because Cody's looks really cool. Wow, Bria. More lightning. It's gonna start pouring.
I know. Maybe we should have them heading to the car. No? Yeah.
It's gonna start pouring. Kids are getting nervous. I think the kids are scared.
Alright.
I think the kids are getting scared because it is really lightning and really thundering. I think it's gonna start pouring here in a minute. Cody, it's raining. It's raining, Cody. Start eating that. It's raining. Do you want to eat that? Hurry and eat it.
Mom.
Oh, they probably have scissors up there. They have scissors up there.
There's lightning everywhere.
Oh my gosh, it's raining a lot now. It's pouring actually.
Yeah, let's get
Bria,
on the bike. Let's go.
where's your bike? Cody, it's raining.
You're a sucker.
You need a sucker? Okay, come on. It's raining hard. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go to the truck. Don't hit anyone. Your thing fell off.
It's gonna fall off. It's gonna
Take
do
it.
it.
Already gone?
Cody's already heading. All right, well, it's raining and I'm wearing a white shirt, so I am going to the truck fast. Right, well, I started trying to help pick up trash, and look at my glasses. I can't see. We need the rain, but dang. All right, well, I only picked up some of the trash. It's in my eyeball. It really is in my eye. Well, I saw her picking up trash and I felt bad that I was just running to the truck. It's in my eye and it hurts.
Well, I lost my sucker out there.
Look, you lost your sucker.
It outside.
Hold on, it's in my eye. And
What is
the water is like in my eyeball and it hurts really bad.
Did you look up?
No, it was just
Mom, how
pouring.
I think there's
Oh,
a
thank you.
100% chance of rain.
Well, that was a fun activity.
And I'm gonna dance in
It
the rain
ended
when I
in
get
a
home.
rainstorm. Okay, guys, Bria's been wanting to, she's literally been begging for it to rain.
Today, this morning, I was like, I want it to rain because I want to dance in the rain, and
That is actually what she said.
it's raining.
So, oh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, ooh. Actually, it's on the inside. Ooh, ooh. There we go. All right, let's go home and dance in the rain. All right, we just got home. Bria is gonna dance in the rain before the rain stops, because usually it seems like it starts to rain and then it stops really quick. So, oh, she's already dancing.
It's stopping.
Oh, goodness gracious.
I'm ready for some ballet. Ready? This is dancing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
The neighbors are pulling up and Bria's out there doing hip hop dances. Was that embarrassing? Oh, do you want to get their bikes out before
Yeah.
they get soaked? Guys, today has been a blah day for me, and I've been kind of sad for some reason. I don't even know. I've just been sad today. And this thunderstorm has changed my mood completely. I love the rain so much. It makes me so happy. I think I'm gonna sit out here and just watch it rain and thunder and lightning.
This isn't the dancing the rain I wanted. Like, it's drizzling, not really pouring anymore. Which when I was first out here, it poured, but then it just started drizzling. I want to dance in heavy rain. Like, I feel it barely hitting, like drop, 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 like barely. I want it to pour!
Bria, tell them why you put a dark colored shirt on.
So, because that was a very light colored shirt, and I wanted to lay down.
You want to lay down in the rain?
Yes.
All right, let's go lay down in the rain.
Yes. Stay, Toby.
All right, go for it. Lay down in the rain.
Yeah?
Yeah, why not?
Are you ready? I don't know why this is so much fun. It's getting hotter and hotter. It's raining more and more. This is the best!
I think I'm just gonna stay out here and enjoy this storm. I wish it would rain more, but it looks like it's starting to let up a little bit. Thank you so much for watching. We had so much fun today. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let us know if you guys are gonna ride your bike to school this year. School's about to start here, and my kids are so excited, and it's so fun that my church put on this cute primary back to school bike safety course, and they learned a lot to keep them safe for the school year. Are you gonna ride your bike to school?
Yes.
That was huge. That filled the whole. The thunder's coming in a minute. Whoa. Kind of eerie. Ah, guys, storms make me happy. Clouds, overcast, dark clouds, rain, lightning, thunder, hail. It all makes me happy unless I'm driving in it. If I'm driving in it, it makes me very, very unhappy.
You know what I like to do?
What?
Sit down and watch the stars at night.
That is awesome too.
And also dance in the rain. I don't do a lot either of those,
But those are her favorite things, guys. Gazing at the stars and dancing in the rain.
and dancing.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. Bye, everybody.
Bye.